regard to property for a person, we can set up, or a lot of times you can set up by doing some planning ahead of time, for instance, a trust. You say, I want to leave some money to benefit my child, but I know that my child can't control that or is not going to make good decisions. And this might just be a factor of being a teenager, not having any sort of disability. But so a trust can be used for that. But in the absence of the ability for the child to sign powers of attorney, or if the trust has not been set up, then we might be looking at guardianship or conservatorship. Okay, so powers of attorney. This is what allows someone to act on your behalf when you are incapacitated. If you don't have capacity from the get-go to understand, to sign those documents, then a power of attorney is not going to work. With powers of attorney, there'll be a financial power of attorney, naming someone to make financial decisions, healthcare power of attorney, known in Georgia as the Advanced Directive for Healthcare, and that's the document that has to do with living situations, healthcare situations. Important thing to realize, even if we did a financial power of attorney in Georgia, there's no law in Georgia that requires a bank, financial institution, anyone else to actually honor that financial power of attorney. So sometimes a trust, if we are going to be able to do some advanced planning, a trust is going to be a better option than a power of attorney. So, in order to sign a power of attorney, someone must be over the age of 18 and must have capacity, must understand what it is that they are signing. It must be an independent choice. This can't be sign this power of attorney or else I'm going to go file for guardianship. It needs to be an independent choice that the person signing it is making. It also has to be in writing, and it may need to be notarized. The medical decision-making one does not, but if we're going to use a financial power of attorney that ultimately we want to convey real property one day, then it would need to be notarized.